Another $10 has been deposited into my non-registered Wealth Simple account. This is where I buy fractional shares of VFE every week with my recurring automatic deposits. Currently, I have $10.02 in Canadian in my available cash. This is how my current holdings are doing. Total value $20.25. This is today's price of VFE. Not that I care. And my all-time return, a whopping 27 cents on approximately $20 invested. So I'm going to buy another $10.02 worth of fractional shares in front of you guys. So you can see how easy it is to accumulate wealth and save money. But here we go. Order type, market buy, because we're buying fractional shares. Buy in, not shares. We're going to buy in dollar amounts because that's the easiest. I'm not going to calculate how many shares I need to buy with $10, okay? So buy in dollars, dollar amount, 10. And I'm going to throw the 2 cents in there because I don't like seeing cents. Or I guess I can click max. Okay, estimated shares is this much. It's going in my non-registered account and my available cash is $10.02. I'm going to click next. Yeah, confirm everything. Everything's good. Instant fill. Submit order. And done. I guess I still have a penny left, but here we go. My total value is now $30.25. My all-time return, 26 cents. And that's essentially it. That's how I'm going to continue to build this portfolio over time. And in the future, I'll figure out a good way to utilize this portfolio. Tune in every Thursday to get a portfolio update and follow along. I'm literally doing $10 a week every Thursday, $40 a month. I mean, $40 nowadays is like 2 McDonald's meals. And if I know people, you're buying a lot more than 2 McDonald's meal a month. So that might be a good way to justify depositing money into your investment portfolio. Even though you're not going to be able to see or touch that money for a while, at least you get to play around with it. It's not like it's gone forever. At least you get to play around with it, grow it how you want to. And honestly, it's a very fun journey. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll either make a video about it or I'll just answer you in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.